Hello, YouTube. It's your main man BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. And yes, turbo turn up time. But this video is for Kaspa KRC20 token updates and information. And running the video a little early today because trying to get it done. I got something to do at 12:30, so I'm going to get this one out real quick, see if we can run through our numbers and see generally what's going on with the overall status of KRC tokens, right? KRC tokens are about to pump. KRC token or crypto as general is pumping. So let's see if we can get to the numbers and see what's really going on here. So this is Black Tiger Miner Twitter page or X or Twitter X or X Twitter, whatever you want to call it now. Don't forget to join the Discord and check out my main page for Kaspa KRC20 merch, like the other shirt I had on, and a few of the Turbo tokens, and some of the other information. I keep pausing because I'm hearing something in the background, but I figured out what it is, so never mind. Um, so let's get to it. Guru, the Watcher Guru, just in, the SEC commissioner admits their approach to crypto has been a disaster for the whole industry. So I don't know if this is an election thing or this is election hype, or if these guys are actually going to do something to curve the overall sentiment from the SEC and the SEC's view on crypto, which would be huge, right? We're talking about those black swan events. If they are to finally get on board with crypto like the rest of the freaking world, things are going to get parabolic for crypto. This is what we've been waiting on. So let me know in the comments what you think is happening or can happening or could possibly be in store for crypto. So let's keep going here. Um, this is Matt CRig Adoption Education, Kaspa KRC20. So I think CRig is going to have a big announcement next week. Talk to these guys. These guys said they're working on a project. So hopefully they'll get it out to us next week and we can see what all the hype is about. But I think there's a lot of movement in KRC20 tokens, and especially uh, this cash rig. So this is Enoch. I deployed Saggy KRC20. Okay, cool. Let me go ahead and throw out that BTM. I'm trying to wait for a lot of this attrition to happen, right? A lot of some of these coins to go away because there is a, what is it, 936 coins, 937. So I need some of them to kind of go away, dissipate, shrink, or kind of clear way for other tokens. They're not going to pop in with the BTM. So this is Nacho. Nacho, history doesn't necessarily repeat its rhymes. In the past, cats were revealed by many. This time it's coming again. Cats will reign. Plan accordingly, meow. And again, I saw the black cat again yesterday, so I don't know if this cat's stalking me or if he's been there the whole time and I just didn't notice it, or if somebody's trying to send me a message about Nacho. And this is Cash Rig. I know we've been quiet today, but rest assured we're working on some big things for the project and the space in general. Our website will be live in 24 hours and some final branding touches. Thanks for your patience. So shout out to the Cash Rig guys. Remember Cash Rig and Conan when we get to the numbers in a couple minutes. Kaspa's funding, did you know over 200 KRC projects were donated 1,500 fund? Do you know at 1333 per fund, over 400 projects would be able to use their fund to pair with fun on change and breathe support into their project? I'm not even sure what they're talking about here. Sorry. Support fund by providing liquidity on chain, not for us, but for the KRC system ecosystem as a whole, for the devs and all the Kaspa currency community. Okay, so I have to look into that because I'm not even sure what they're talking about here. Yeah, see, there's 929 tokens launched and 40.3 million cash fees to pay to cash miners. Let's go. Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Kaspa's the Army, better yet the Navy. Shout out to the Air Force, and if Elon Musk ever get it together, the Space Force. Kaspa's going to the moon, baby. So we need to see. I think this is the Cash FYI. So we need to see where they're getting these total fees and total tokens from. I'll check that out. Maybe this is on Cashplex. I don't know, but I need to find that. Let me know if you guys know where this is. So this is the chain thing. The chain. So I'm trying to figure out what they're trying to do here. I need to research this a little more. I'm trying to get to the thing. I need to research to figure out what's going on here. But it looks like you can add and remove liquidity for a KRC token. So I'm not 100% sure what this is yet, but I'm going to give it a try later today. If you tried this or did it or used it, let me know in the comments. What is up, Conan of Kaspa? And we get to numbers. You guys are actually making moves too. So we'll see. What's up, gamblers? If you want your KRC token on change decks, you got to pump the liquidity in the pools numbers up. Those are rookie numbers. To add liquidity to KRC token liquidity pools on KRC20 Chains Finance, piece of cake. Check out the walkthrough. I just actually looked at the walkthrough in the comment section. Don't forget to dive into the full article. So I do need to check out this article because I don't even know. I'm not even sure what they're trying to do here, but I'll definitely check that out and keep you guys informed. So let's see, back to. So I saw this, which I like the name, but I'm not even 100% sure about the project yet. Big moves is just the beginning. Shout out to Conan. Based on the community feedback, we decided to adjust our minting process to reduce the amount needed to completely mint out. Unfortunately, this means creating a new ticker, but our ticker is cream. Old mint 17,700. New mint 377,000. Do like the Kaspa rules everything around me. Cream, get the money. dollar bill, y'all. And I might check out that Shaggy from Enoch. So this is Conan of Kaspa. 15 days after Mint, we're making parabolic moves like this. Just know we're still extremely early if you're watching this bullish. So let's see what kind of video we got here.
Nah, you're gonna watch me win, bitch.
It looks like they're exceeding the upper bowling band, which is crazy for a project that just started 14 days ago. Was it 14 days ago or 15 days ago? Let me get this cup out the way. Okay, so let's see here. Just want to check something real quick. Alrighty. And this is replying to Conan of Kaspa. It's only the beginning. Conan, the ward hero dog, is going all the way to the top. And I like this image. I'm not sure what these are. I guess these are helicopters. What is this? What is it? I'm not sure what these images are, but I do like the ghost angel and the dogs, right? Who let the dogs out? So yeah, we're gonna check into that as well. Shout out to Pepe KRC20 for seeing the movements we're making and going out of their way to make a picture of us. Makes us extremely happy to know you guys are proud of us. And this is more Conan. Our chart looks eloquent. And this is Turbo Toad. Let's celebrate before we start again. Let's freaking go. What is that in his hand? I don't know. Sold Kaspa all of it and bought Turbo. What? Kaspa is great, but Turbo will massively outperform 2024. Do your own research. Wish me luck. So this is, I think this guy's got some cussing in it. Hope
Now, obviously, there is a risk that that may not happen. Your job,
they don't,
and the job of, well, the job of every.
hope they don't take me, demonetize me, but let's see what he's saying. Thought this is pretty cool. Then we'll get to the numbers.
Your job, and the job of, well, the job of every bull market is to throw you off. Your job is to not part with your tokens. I've explained this many, many times. That is your single job. If you can just not fuck this up, keep hold of your tokens, and then eventually the banana zone comes and we can realize some of our hopes and dreams. Now, obviously, there is a risk that that may not happen. I don't see it in all of the macro work. And between myself and Julian Bittle at Global Macro Investor, we do more work on this than anybody else in the world without question. Doesn't mean we're 100% right, but the odds are stacked in our favor and the everything code is our friend. Anyway, stay safe out there. I don't know your job.
So yeah, he's right. The biggest thing is just hold. You got a diamond hand. If you guys are diamond handing, things are going to work out fine. So let's get to the numbers. So Nacho is up. Let me refresh this real quick. Let me make sure we get the fresh of the fresh, the newest of the new, the grand. So this is CRig. Been cooking all day. Don't say you have not been warned. So this is CRig, which is also another big project coming down the pipeline. And I like this with the CRig with the register. So let's see if this ever updates. Conan is a generational run. What's up, Jay Blaze? Hold on for dear life. Definitely, Enoch. Okay, so Nacho's up 4%. Conan is up 47%. Let's go. I like this chart. Caspi is 0. CRig is up 100%. Come on. This Mano, which I don't even know what Mano is, but it's up 145%. We might need to definitely make a note of that. Let me get my trusty musty pen here. So much for my trusty musty pen. Get this pencil. CAMO. Okay. So Mano's up 145. Kaspa is up 2%. Nacho's is up 3%. Shay is up 11. Harris is up 38. What is this? Harris. Cartel is back with 80%. Cartel's up 81%. Nacho with a hat is up 40. Fund is up 4. Popcat's 43. Let me just look at this first page here. Castbot unchanged. Cactus 68. Copa 258. Amazing. Let me see. What was that? What did you say? What was that? Yeah, swaggy. So I think this is what you're talking about. Enoch, right? This is swaggy. Mint bot trade swaggy. 2 holders. Mint count 30. So yeah, definitely need to check that out. So what is this? Show me your KRC20 tokens. I already got Nacho, Kaspa, Pepe, and Conan. That's pretty much what I got. Let me see here. Let's see. Oh man, wait a minute. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Trying to find it. I did have this price bot. Okay, I'm tripping. The price bot. Okay. Okay, let me see here. Here we go. So let's roll up. Let's see. Where do we start today? So I got Castbot comps, Conan, Caspi, and Nacho. I'm gonna pick up some more Conan, Castbot, Sumps, which is not doing the way I was supposed to. Gold's not doing much. Nacha, and probably dumping Nacha. And this must have been an airdrop. I don't remember buying this. Salone. Yeah. I don't know, but I've been getting airdrop. I don't know. I keep picking up KRC20 tokens. I don't know where they're coming from, but I'm not buying them. They just keep popping in my wallet. So top gainers, K-Dog, KABA 861. K-Dog's up, what is it, 8,000. Yanni's up 276. Trump is up 255. And Nacho with a hat is up 122. Salon's down 61%. That's weird. Hoodie's down 61%. Shout out to Bitcoin Hoodie. Gay Cow 681, and whatever this is 98, and this is 100. And that's why I was kind of waiting, right? Because I know there's going to be a pump, and a lot of these are going to slide down. Once they slide out, there's going to be a lot of attrition in the market. Once the attrition happens, then I could come back and create the coin and then put it out there. I don't want to wait too long, but I don't want to get in too early and then a lot of these things dump. I want to wait till some of the markets get refreshed and then pop in. So Nacho's up 4.6%. Caspi's down 0.9. Caspa's up 0.3. Goach is down 6.8. Pepe's down 11. So this is top 5 tokens. Nacho, Conan. I see it, Conan. Somps is top 5. What? By volume. Okay, so Nacho is 183. Kaspa, 183,000. Cas 115,000 USD. Conan is 130,000. Cas 48,000 USD. Somps is 147,000. 174,000. Cas 22,000 USD. Kaspi is 134,000. USD is 17.5 thousand. Pepe is 111,000. Kaspa and 14.5 thousand USD. So Conan is up 60%, and that was at 1037. Nacho was up 4.7. CRig is up 97.8. Somps is down 1%. And we'll look at the charts here. So CRig is above the upper Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band went up, and they are way away from the 20-period moving average. So they're doing pretty good. And of course, Conan is right at the upper Bollinger Band and above the 20-day moving average. So that's also doing pretty good. And Nacho is right below this 20-period moving average. It did hit the Bollinger Band yesterday, but it looks like it's leveling out today. And I think that was Nacho. So that is all the numbers from the bot. So let's look at this video. There's something going on in the background. Let me see if I can grab this real quick. Let me play this video.
But volume can come out of nowhere very fast, just like price action, okay? They go hand in hand. And at some point, the volume is going to spike on Kaspa, and the price is going to go up. I can't tell you exactly when that's going to happen, but I can tell you it will happen. Okay? Remember my last video. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And the worst thing you can do is jump from project to projects that are pumping at this point in time, because what you're doing is you're buying the top, and as soon as you buy the top of another project, the project that you sold, in this case, Kaspa, is going to start pumping, and you are going to get very, very, very angry that you sold your Kaspa. To sum everything up, I guess in one sentence, do not sell your Kaspa. But
yeah, definitely don't get wrecked by selling too early, guys. Hang in there. I know it's been pretty rough. Kaspa's been moving sideways, but it will come back. These Kaspa memes will make you rich. This is the crypto Typhoon. Let's see what he's
My name is Nicky Crypto from the Crypto Typhoon, and what we got over here is another KRC20 tokens video. We're going to talk about the big boys in today's video, and the big boys are Nacho at number 1. Right now it's Kaspi, who came out of nowhere at number 2, and then we got Kasper the Ghost at number 3, and 4th but not least, and actually Token actually has taken a massive hit, and that's gold sitting in number 4. So I'm going to focus on the big dogs today, because I think that's where the biggest opportunity is in KRC20 tokens as of right now. Why do I say that? Because listen, in the past, if you look back at all the other ecosystems that have had a meme season, and we're talking base, and we're talking even something along the lines all the way back last year was Say or freaking Tron or whatever it is, it's only the top meme coins, the ones that solidify that value. That's a big deal, because if we're talking valuations right now, if you know what I'm saying, So that's why I like to focus on the big dogs. If any other one random KRC20 token starts rising very quickly, I'll be watching, I'll be looking, because you never know what's actually going to finish at the top spot. But my point is, it's the top memes that we are looking for. So we're going to go and have a look at Nacho, which is at a $40 million market cap. So Nacho, at a $40 million market cap, I've said this many times, is very impressive. No centralized exchange listings, no DEXs in Kaspa as of right now. The only way that you can get them is through that Kaspa. That's pretty impressive. So it's got a centralized exchange coming up. So
that's where I really never thought about that. I mean, I thought about it, but I don't keep thinking about it. But that's actually pretty impressive. Most of these KRC20 tokens, you can only get them through Telegram. That's the only place you can get them. So just imagine when these things are listed on DEX and are easier to get. I think you can get SOMPs on what is that? It's listed somewhere. But I think that's one of the first ones to get listed on a CDX or CX or DEX actually. See what this guy's talking about. Not sure who this is, but I was looking for anybody talking about Kaspa and KRC tokens and memes, and there's not a lot of people talking about it, which is a very good thing. That means you guys are in early. So as they grow, as we grow, as the videos get more common and the word gets out about the KRC20 tokens and people start to get a little interest, everything is going to pump.
why are these the big dogs the big dogs? I think the big dogs are the big dogs mainly because of the team and the execution that the team has done over the course of their short life span. So if we come in, we have a look at Nacho real quick. What we can see is that they have partnerships galore. The team has been able to execute perfectly, and they've got a centralized exchange confirmation already confirmed, which is a big deal. And apparently this is a big exchange. Now, I've never heard of it, but that's neither here nor there because it's got a worldwide sector and it's got a US-based sector. So they've got partnerships galore. They've got, and actually another one that they do have is a Tangem wallet. So that's the biggest thing about these tokens is that their teams are legitimate. So I just want to go real quickly over Nacho because it's got a confirmation centralized exchange listing, and Kaspa the Ghost has a confirmed centralized exchange listing as well. Kaspa the Ghost is very interesting to me because it's got the most followers out of any KRC20 token as of right now. And in the beginning, I would have said Kaspa the Ghost was going to be the winner. So Kaspa the Ghost has big partnerships as well. They also have a confirmed centralized exchange going. Or coming forward, and that's with XT. That's confirmed from both parties, as in XT has confirmed it as well. As you can see, they got a lot of partnerships. They actually partner with a lot of people from the big boys all the way to the little dogs, from all the way from these guys. This soda company here, which does an average of 1,500 bottles sales or exporting an average of 1.5 bottles a minute. That's big time, all the way to little old Conan and everywhere in between. So they've got partnerships, they're doing their thing. And I say all of that to say this. In my opinion, the difference between number one,
Little old Conan, this guy sounds like a hater. Why you hating, Crypto Typhoon? Why you hating? Let me see here. Once Kaspa itself pumps, everyone take their profit in their memes. Happened with Solana. Everyone take their profits into their memes. Happened with Solana. Yeah, I was wondering that. So once it pumps, don't the memes pump first? Because I know they were pumping. The memes on Solana pumped like crazy. And then later Solana pumped. So I don't know. What up, Quarter Crawler? Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo. So that definitely was the wrong button. Philippine dating diaries. What's going on? Conan is the next 100x. Remember, dance with who brought you to the party.
Nacho,
Don't forget that.
and Kaspa the Ghost is extraordinary. It's crazy. Do I think that they should? I'm not saying that Nachos is overvalued by any means. I own every single one of these tokens. It would not be wise of me to say any negative thing about any of them. That's why I'm not going to. All I'm saying is that to me, that highlights the fact that Kaspa the Ghost might be very, very undervalued. Could be potentially.
Yeah, I don't know where you get your numbers from, player, but looks like Kaspa's went down since I don't know when you made the video, but the Kaspa numbers aren't really doing a whole lot. My dog, my main man, what are you talking about? You don't even have Kaspa in the price action anymore. Top 5, Nacho, Conan, Sumps, Kaspi, and Pepe. Why are you giving these people bad information, player? What are you talking about? What's going on, fam? What you trying to do to us? But he's right. Definitely don't want to shield any tokens, right? Definitely want people to get in and get aware and get their money up. I got 2 million RDX. It's fair launch POW. It's only 10 million market cap. Whoa. Yeah, no, I'm actually mining RDX, and RDX is not really doing a whole lot. I thought I was going to pump. Ice River took us 2 months to get the freaking miner, and the price went down. So I don't know, but I might actually just buy some. So now that you mentioned it, but I have diversified, right? I got a little bit of almost everything. So if it pumps, we're definitely not going to miss the pump. But let me know. Conan's the best meme coin and Swamp best utility. Kaspi and Conan are going to rug. This is insider info. Interesting. So you're going to rug them? How do you know it's insider info?
Potentially. They got a centralized exchange listing coming up. You know what I'm saying? Confirmed. So Kaspa the Ghost could be very undervalued in my opinion right now. I own me some Kaspa the Ghost and I own me some Nachos. I ain't fighting any of them. I own me some Kaspi. Kaspi came out of nowhere with a big time announcement. By the way, only a few days ago, they only had raised like 5,000. And then all of a sudden they got 90,000 in donations, which was a little bit how you going. But at the same time, I'm whatever. It is what it is. Who knows? So we're talking about Kaspi. Came out of nowhere and announced that they have a partnership they have a big time exchange coming up, which was, where is it? Here we go. We are excited. This was on the 4th of October. We are excited to announce that we have officially raised the required amount for our first centralized exchange listing. It says, however, due to terms of a NDA, non-disclosure agreement, we are unable to provide specific details about the exchange just yet. Okay. This will be the biggest listing for KRC20 to this day, and we expect it to happen within the next 2 weeks. So that's what caused the price to just absolutely surge. There was rumors.
What's up, nerds and things? And I just realized who you were. I think I saw you. I was actually watching one of your videos. Actually, I didn't even know that was you. Nerd Things and More. I didn't know that was you from the video. I think I looked at the comment and then I saw a video. But yeah, I do agree with him. Kaspi is definitely one to keep an eye on. Let's see what else he's talking about here.
Yeah, it's taken a massive hit. It's got one of the most solid roadmaps I've ever seen, and the team.
I'm not even watching.
You
I don't know what
might sound like this is Nacho FUD, but it's not. I love me some Nacho.
I'm not sure what's going on with gold, but I don't think that the gold is gonna be one of the top
10
ones.
million. Okay, now 100x 4.1 billion. Okay, I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm just saying 4.1 billion. Now, if we get now gold, if you believe in gold and you do your research, and this is just an example, but you can apply this to to all of them, to all the big four. You can apply it to all the tokens if you want to. 100 million in market cap value. So what's more likely, 4.1 billion Nacho or a 400 million gold at the peak of a bull run, at the peak of a KRC20 meme coin season potentially? You got to look ahead potentially. What's more likely, or what would be easier to get to? The same thing could be said for Kaspa at 6 million.
Yeah, I don't think I would be betting on Kaspa or gold, but good video there, Slick, keeping it pushing. So this is someone else talking about KRC20 tokens. This is Code Monkey Mike. Where do you guys get these names from?
Best crypto network ever known to exist. The fastest, fully scaled.
So what was that? Another thing, it was on your video I commented. I can't remember if it was a video. I seen you somewhere. I can't remember where I seen it at. But let's see what this guy's talking about. I'm just watching these videos to see what other coins people are talking about and investing in, because there's not really a lot of people making videos about KRC20 tokens and Kaspa in general.
Scalable, trilemma solving layer 1 coin, Kaspa. So in this vid, I'm going to go over all the coins I minted and how I did it and what you need to watch out for. But I don't know if I need to say this, but we are so amazingly early on these coins that it's almost impossible to buy them anywhere. And it's like the wild, wild west out there, because in the places where we can buy them, it is crazy, ultra high risk. Now, the first coin is the King of Kings, the star of the show stealer, the top dog, Cat. Give it up for Nacho. Now, the numbers are so far showing that Nacho is by far turning out to be the mascot meme coin of the Kaspa network. The market cap is already multiple times the other coins I've minted so far. Now, the name Nacho is derived from the pet cat named Ignacio of Shai Laborsky, one of the core developers of Kaspa. Now, this coin has a good name, is likable, is graphically appealing, giving it all the attributes of what it needs to be a winner. And the graphics of it are absolutely stunning. And at the time of this video, the market cap is hovering around 60 million, and it could potentially, by the end of this bull run, reach around 5 billion, or dare I say it, even more. That's like 100x from here on out. With 25,000 followers on Twitter and 17,000 holders so far, this is community strong. And guys, this cat is going places. I mean, dude, Kaspa represents what crypto should be like in the future. And this Nacho project is just one of many moving parts that helps to do just that. Now, the next one is Kasper. It's not an animal, it's a ghost. And it's like a play with words, you know, like Casper the Friendly Ghost. So the ghost of Kaspa got around 17,000 followers on Twitter and 7,500 holders. It's an extremely good play, even though it's not an animal, because, you know, animals always do good. But the next one is an animal again. And dude, we can't count this one out. With a $9 million market cap, this toad named Goat is here to stay. And that market cap, the sky's the limit. They've got a lot of good marketing plan, as well as a community of 8,000 followers on Twitter. And on top of that, there's already 6,300 holders so far. And I'm thinking this thing is going to rival Punky. And then we have K-Paw, otherwise known as Kaspaw, the block dog. This one has 2,000 holders and 5,000 followers on Twitter. Another awesome play, and I put a lot down. Guys, there's just so many of them, like Yorin the Cavalier, that is. And there's at least a half dozen more that I've been minting and buying. They're all listed in my community. And the crazy part about all this is that it's so difficult to buy them. They're not on any centralized exchanges. I mean, they're coming soon. Like, as I was just preparing for this video, I found out that Subs, another good play, is getting listed on LBank. So these coins are going to be getting listed on centralized exchanges over the next few weeks, couple of months, 2 to 3 months or so. But if you want to buy now, I discuss all this in my Discord community on how and where to buy them. It's crazy because initially we're all using the Kaspa wallet, but then there was this bug where they started taking on an abnormal amount of Kaspa fees. And even though they corrected the bug, their reputation just went sour in about a day. And then the other option was Kaspa, where you had to interact with Telegram and enter commands as if you're a programmer. I mean, it's okay for me, I'm a code monkey, but for others, it might seem a little jarring, a little weird, probably, difficult to use or whatever. But then on top of that, there've been a lot of reports of people getting their Kaspa wallets hacked, like crazy stuff. So, dude, yeah, kind of scary. I guess the key takeaway is don't invest more than you can afford to lose. But, dude, I mean, I think it's worth the risk, man. I mean, initially, I put in 4 digits worth of Kaspa. I mean, I don't know if I would have if I'd known about all those bugs, but, it is what it is. And, I started minting and buying, and since then I've seen 5, 10, 20, 30x, depending on the coin. Now I got 50. Now I don't know, 5 digits worth of meme coins on Kaspa, and it's only upwards from here. But like I said, join my Discord, Crypto Rich, for more information. The link in the description below. And in my Discord, I also have the most informative websites that you should know about, where you can go in, check the stats of these coins, their holders, how, their minting status, their market cap, and so on. And we're all going to be rich together.
Yeah, sorry about that. Oh yeah. No, I do remember what you're saying. You were saying about your Kaspa miners that you got rid of. So that was okay. Now I do remember. No problem. It's just weird. You have hair here, but on the video you didn't have any hair. So it's kind of threw me off. This is Kaspa is due to a pump. It ran up so much. Nerd things and more. That's what I figured. Time to get a lithium and RDX. I got the lithium and the RDX miner. I'm just trying to keep that mining on the side as well. Hopefully making a couple bucks with the KRC20 tokens minting process. So let's see what this guy has to say and be right back. Actually, I don't even care about crypto Archie. Let's go to this guy.
Okay, let me put Kaspa over here and let's say do Bybit, all right, because unfortunately Binance still haven't listed. So this is how things are looking at on a daily for Kaspa. But if I'm going to switch it to 30 days, you can clearly see that everybody is betting that the price of Kaspa is going to go lower, right? I know you are calling for 1 cent, you are calling for 5 cents, but many people might gonna get disappointed. If that is going to happen, 4.5 million USD is going to be flushed, right? So let's have a look how this is looking for all of the exchanges for Kaspa, right? The whole leverage overall. So 1 day, and now let's go into 30 days, guys, all right? So these are all exchanges, right? We've got $9.5 million is going to be flashed if the price of Kaspa is going to go towards the upside. So let's have a look at the heat map now, right? So let's do, let's say, Bybit, okay, and firstly 24 hours, right, and soon we are going to go into the monthly, right? So technically we could still grab the liquidity, right? Kaspa technically could grab this liquidity on a short-term picture, right, as you guys can clearly see. However, if I'm going to change it to the monthly right now, you can see where the liquidity is, right? So this is something that I've just showed to you on a previous page, right? So if the price is going to go over here, liquidity is going to be flushed for people that are betting that the price of Kaspa will go lower. But the problem is that it already did, and I guess that these traders are probably too late. Anyways, guys, let's have a look at a couple of different opportunities, I guess, because, you know, as I'm saying very recently, I'm not holding only Kaspa, I'm holding multiple altcoins and of course BTC, right, for long-term investments. However, I believe your portfolio should be spread out across different assets, diversification, right? Although it's not financial advice, I'm just throwing what I've just found, right? So we've got Cent, which is, well, saw huge pumps in the previous cycle, right? Even in September in 2022, right? And at the moment is perfectly following the Wall Street cheat sheet, right? So this potentially could be a good opportunity. Well, not actually mentioning about Sui, right? Let me go back to Sui, right? Because recently I did Sui's update. Sui, So at the moment, guys, this is how things are looking like with Sui, right? Everybody was interested into Sui when Sui pumped, towards these levels, right? But nobody's interested into Sui right now, right? So I'm personally expecting Sui, well, first of all, dipping to this level, and then probably to $60 and maybe even to $6010, right? So once Sui is going to dip into these levels, I'm going to probably purchase, for a short-term trade. But obviously, guys, opportunities are endless, right? Obviously, picking up that fear is always, well, paying off, I guess, as long as you are going to sell the greed. But anyways, Mr. Prof is pointing this chart out, and this is total crypto market cap, that it's excluding BTC and Ethereum on a weekly chart. So the last time we saw a bullish cross in the MACD weekly chart of altcoins was exactly 1 year ago. After that, altcoins recorded a 150% increase. Now we are facing another bullish cross. And now, guys, this is how things are looking like, right? So basically last year, October, we had this, rally, the first little rally for altcoins. However, now I believe that momentum is much bigger and we could see much bigger pump. And I know that many people are being shaken out now because, they saw this little pump in here, right? And then, just this retest of this line as a support, right? However, from the standpoint of TA, this is normal, just like, from the standpoint of RSI, and MACD is printing the bullish cross, right? Also, something that I'm reminding quite often on the channel, guys, is that we are waiting for American elections that are happening very, very soon, right? I believe in 20 something days or 30 days, right? So that's very, very soon. And obviously, this is the catalyst that market is, well, anticipating, right? And also, guys, this is something that I've been showing for a while now, the bird trap that we are in, right? So we are experiencing these, well, let's say 3 legs up, right? We've got renewed optimism on the market, FOMO, and then euphoria, where lots of people are going to be jumping into crypto, but, well, they are going to realize the sad reality because they are not watching any videos. I'm not saying mine, just in general, they're not educating themselves and they are not paying attention. So looking at 2016, in October 2016, that was halving year, right? We've got this happening to crypto, right? Then we've got October 2020, right? There you go. And now we've got October 2024, right? I don't believe this is different, right? I could be very, very surprised. Of course, I could be very wrong, but guys, based on everything,
I haven't seen too many of your videos coming out. I'm glad you're doing good. Oh, okay, I'm out there. Okay. Yeah, no. Definitely gonna mint some myself as well. Just a little frazzled because I can't get in my Uphold wallet. Trying to figure out what the freak is going on here. And there's no password. Like, this phone doesn't save all your passwords, which is weird. Where you got a password from? It's not going to save passwords. I'm trying to remember. That is weird, actually. Trying to figure out why this is not showing my password. Ah, man. Another day, another dollar. Let's see. What? Finally. Well, that was very nerve-wracking. Let me see here. That's the wrong one. That's weird. I guess Uphold is coming on to KYC or something. This is crazy. I'll be doing this to my freaking wallet in the middle of a wallet in the middle of my video. What are you guys trying to do to me? Oh my gosh, I almost had a heart attack. That's actually really weird. But back to the video. Conan's kicking butt. Let's see here. Conan's up 46%. Really? Crypto Cop, what's going on, man? What's up, fam? See what's updates here. At 50 minutes, probably gonna close this video out. Oh shit. Yeah, gotta close the video out. Let's see what this is. Conan's up 43%. CRig is up 55. Mano's up 131. But thanks for joining today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs. This is Black Tiger Miners signing out. I might do a video tonight around 10 p.m. It's Thursday. It's football, so I don't know. But I might do a video tonight live. I haven't been doing lives during the day, but I'm trying to get back on track. But definitely might try to do one tonight, if not tomorrow. But this is Black Tiger Miner signing out. Peace and hair grease. And remember, let's get back to the money, guys. And stay dangerous. All right. Miner out.